Well, the weather took a turn. Down there. We'll be skiing out. Yes. Optimistic that it's going to blow through, but not counting on it. In fact, pretty sure it's not going to. So, just a little bit of stuff. It should be a good time. The snow's good. That's always a plus. They're probably second guessing their decision to go the rest of the way up. We fucking snuggle all up together and what do you think? Are you stoked to ski this?
You know, I've been more stoked to ski things. I've been less stoked.
I'm ready to go. Got the goggles, got the hat, the beard, the melly, the rain jacket. We're good. You ready to send this, Megan? She's ready to send. I'm ready to send. You ready to fucking send? Don't let that fool you. She's ready to send. Down to here. Sun's back out. Show you where we are. Look, it's breaking up there. Here's where we're going. We were just in a blizzard, and now the mountains are ridiculous. We were just in a blizzard, and now we're in this. There's rain here. There's some right there too. The other way. That's the Tatoosh range over there. There you go. Yeah, there's the Tatoosh. It's beautiful. So now we're in the sun. All right.